Hai. Welcome again with me, Miss Deska. Hai, selamat datang kembali dengan saya, Miss Deska. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for answering my Assalamualaikum. Oke, terima kasih untuk menjawab Assalamualaikumnya Ibu. Oke, how are you, my beloved student? Bagaimana kabar anak-anak Ibu yang tercinta? Alhamdulillah, that's great. Okay, I'm fine too. Thank you, dear. Ibu juga baik-baik aja, sayang. Terima kasih. Okay, do you know what day is today? Correct. Betul sekali. Kamu tahu apa hari ini? Ya, betul sekali. Today is Monday. Hari ini hari Senin. For Monday, we have math lesson. Untuk hari Senin, kita ada pelajaran math ya. Okay, what I have here. Are you curious? Ya, apa yang Ibu punya untuk hari ini? Apakah kamu penasaran? Okay, let's go. Come with me. Let's go to the presentation. Yuk, ikut Ibu yuk. Kita ke presentasinya yuk. Good. Bagus sekali. I will show you my presentation. Okay, this is my presentation. Okay, before we start our lesson for today, sebelum kita mulai pelajaran kita hari ini, let's follow my instruction. Yuk, diikutin dulu yuk instruksi dari Bu Deska. Okay, put on your eyes. Pasang yuk matanya. Okay, very good. Now, put on your ears. Put on your ears. Very good. I want you to put on your eyes. Ibu mau kamu memasang mata kamu to watch me. Untuk melihat Miss Rizka ya. And I want you to put on your ear. Ibu mau kamu memasang telinganya to listen to Miss Rizka. Because for this presentation, karena untuk presentasi ini, I'm the only artist. Karena di presentasi ini, satu-satunya artis cuma Bu Deska. Okay? Okay. Now, let's go to the presentation. Yuk, kita ke presentasinya yuk. For today mathematics, untuk matematik hari ini, we are going to discuss about, kita akan membahas tentang compare number by using the number of things. Kita akan membandingkan benda berdasarkan jumlah bendanya. Okay. Are you ready? Ready, Miss? Okay, very good. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Yuk kita ke slide berikutnya. Now, before we start our lesson, sebelum kita mulai pelajaran kita, let's start by saying basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, and then sebelum kita memulai kembali, kita juga harus mereview. Kita harus mengulang kembali. Let's review our last discussion. Yuk kita mereview yuk pelajaran kita yang lalu. Yuk. For the last season, untuk pertemuan sebelumnya, we have discussed about ones, teens, and tens. Kita sudah membahas tentang satuan, belasan, dan puluhan. Let's discuss the short one. Yuk kita bahas yang pendek-pendek saja ya. Yuk. We have discussed about how to pronounce from number 11 to 100. Okay, you have to remember, kita sudah membahas dari 11 sampai 100. Yang harus kita ingat adalah, for the teens, untuk puluhan, we add teen after the number. Kita tambahkan teen di belakang angkanya. But don't forget, tapi jangan lupa, we have to pronounce it lang. Kita harus mengucapkannya panjang. Okay? But there is exception. Tapi di sana ada pengecualian. The exception is for 11 and 12. Pengecualiannya adalah untuk angka 11 dan 12. For the example, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 15, 15. There are also, di sana juga ada pengecualian lain, another exception. There are 13 and 15. You must use third and fifth. Kamu harus menggunakan third dan fifth, bukan 3 and 5. Okay? So the correct is 13, not 13. Jadi yang betul adalah 13, not 13. Okay? Very good. Okay, for the teens, untuk puluhan, we add T after the number. Kita tambahkan T untuk puluhan di belakang angkanya. The exceptional are, pengecualiannya adalah for 20 and also 30 and 50. Okay, pengecualiannya adalah untuk 20, 30, dan 50. 20, 20, 30, 30, dan 50, 50. Pengecualiannya itu sama dengan teens atau belasan. Okay, there are place value. Ada nilai tempat atau nilai posisi. We are going to talk about 2 digit and 1 digit number. Kita akan bicara tentang angka 2 digit dan 1 digit. Okay? For the example, contohnya ada 9, 10, 17, and 21. 9 is 1 digit number karena ada cuma satu angka. 9 itu cuma 1 digit angka. So, for the teens, we have value 0. And then, for the 1, we have value 9. Okay? For 10, 17, and 21, we have 2 digit number for this. Kita punya 2 angka ya. 2 digit angka ya untuk 10, 17, dan 21. Okay? For 10, we have value 1. For teens, and value 0 for 1. Okay, and for 17, we have value 1 for the teens, and we have value 7 for the ones. Jadi untuk 10 kita punya nilai puluhannya 1 dan nilai satuannya 0. Dan untuk 17, nilai puluhannya 1 dan nilai satuannya 7. Okay, as you can see in this picture, for teens column, untuk puluhan, kolom puluhan, you can see here, there are 10. And for ones, we have only 2 for 12. Okay, very good, dear. I know you remember. That's good, amazing. Okay, now let's go to our lesson for today. Yuk kita ke pelajaran kita hari ini. Oh, I have reminder quiz here. Ibu punya quiz untuk mengingat ya. Okay, let's try the quiz. Fill the blank with the correct sentence. Fill the blank with the correct answer. Tolong diisi katanya. Untuk yang kosong-kosong tuh harus diisi dengan jawaban yang benar. Okay, let's try. Yuk. Let's try this one. Yuk kita coba yang ini dulu yuk. Ya. Setelah angka 0, 2 lalu berapa ya? Ya, correct. There is 4. Ada angka 4 ya. After 4, 6, and 8, we have 10. Correct. And then after 10, we have 12. Okay, let's go to the next. 0, 10, 20, and then 30. Very good. After 30, 40, 50, and then 60. Very good. Let's go to the third. 0, blank, and then 10. What is it? 5. Very good. Let's check. You are correct, dear. After 5, 10, 15, and then 20. Very good. And then 25. Very good. And then 30. Okay, let's go to the next line. There is 30 and then 40. You can guess what is next? Correct, 50. Okay, very good, dear. Okay, let's continue in another time. Okay, kita lanjut ke yang berikutnya saja ya. Oke, kita cek semuanya dulu. Oke, betul. Ya. Ya, bisa dicoba di rumah ya, sayang. You can try it by your own at home. Kamu bisa coba sendiri di rumah. Oke, let's go to another exercises. Kita coba yuk ke exercise lainnya yang ini yuk. There are example. For the example, for 27, you have 20 plus 7. Okay, let's try the exercise. For 88, what is it? To fill the blank. Okay, let's try. Oh, correct, dear. That's good. Okay, you can fill this with 80. And then 8. Very good. And then for the next number, 60. Very good. And 4. That's correct. Okay. And then, very good. Okay. For this one, for one digit number, you have only 0 for tens. Jadi puluhannya nilainya 0. Bagaimana dengan ones-nya? Ones-nya nilainya adalah 7. Okay, let's try another. Very good. Good. And then for 20, can you do for 20? What is the value of the tens? Bagaimana nilai untuk puluhannya? Correct. Very good. For the tens value, we have 2 or 20. And we have 0 for the ones. Untuk satuannya nilainya 0. Okay. That's very good, dear. Very good. There is reminder quiz. Itu tadi adalah quiz untuk mengingatnya ya. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Kita ke slide berikutnya. Okay, this is our today's lesson. Ini adalah pelajaran kita hari ini. What are we going to discuss? Apa yang akan kita diskusikan? We are going to discuss, correct. Going to discuss compare numbers by using the numbers of things. Kita akan membandingkan suatu benda berdasarkan jumlah. Okay, before that, I want you to watch the video to get the point of the material. Untuk mendapatkan poin-poin apa sih dari pembelajaran hari ini? Okay, are you ready? Ready, miss? Okay, very good, dear. Okay, let's watch the video. The video rolls. Watch the video. Pay attention to the video.
Academy.
Listen to the video. Okay? Compare number. Yuk kita bandingkan angka yuk.
Hi guys, I'm Michael, and this is my friend Molly. Molly and I love to take a walk. During our walks, a lot of interesting things happen. Maybe today something fun will come up too. We need good weather for a walk. There are lots of clouds today. They cover the sun
Wow.
often. How
Try
many
to repeat.
is
Coba
lots?
untuk mengulang.
I don't know. The sky is so huge. It's hard to
Nice.
count them. And how many colorful dots do I have?
Colorful.
It's hard to count them too. You jump very quickly. Well, then let's count these stones. They lie
Stones.
still. 1, 2, 3,
3, 4,
5. Wow, they are alive. It's turtles.
It's
They
turtles.
are hungry. Let's pick a flower for each of them. Turtles love to eat flowers.
Flowers.
Hey, tell us, how many flowers do we need to treat the turtles?
I think
5. Because there are 5 turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 flowers for
Molly,
5
solve a problem.
turtles.
How many turtles stay on the shore and how many swim in the water?
Turtles
1,
in the
2,
shore.
3. 1, 2. 3 turtles lie in the grass and 2 turtles are in the water. Which number is larger? There are
Yeah,
more
the
turtles
is
in the
larger.
grass. So I think number 3 is larger than
3
number 2.
is
Number
larger
2
than
is
2.
not the smallest. Number 1 is smaller. There's 1
One
frog
is
and there are
smaller than
2
2.
turtles. They have more fun than the lonely frog. The frog wasn't bored for long. Now there's a whole crowd of frogs here. Right. Now there are more frogs than turtles in the stream.
More
Because there are 4 frogs and only 2 turtles, number 4 is larger than number 2. And what if we compare all the turtles and all the frogs? Who will be more? There are more turtles. There are 5 of them, and there are just 4 frogs. Number 5 is larger.
5 is larger.
Oh,
It's
it's
wider.
evening. It's time to go home. Tomorrow will bring a new day and new
See you,
interesting stories.
turtles.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you. Okay, that's all our video. Semua video kita. Are you watching? Apa kamu sedang menontonnya? Yes, you are. Very good, dear. Are you listening? Very good, dear. Are you repeating? Apakah kamu mengulangnya juga, mengikuti pengulangan pengucapannya? Are you pronouncing? Apa kamu mengucapkannya? Very good. You have to listening. You have to watching, pay attention. You have to repeating, and you try to pronouncing. Jadi menonton, mendengarkan, mengulang, dan mengucapkan. Okay, very good. Let's go to another slide. Yuk, kita ke slide lainnya yuk. Okay, now this is our discussion. Ini adalah pembahasan kita based on the video, berdasarkan videonya dan pembelajaran kita hari ini dan our lesson today. Yeah, I have here compare 2 things by using more blah 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 than blah blah blah. Fewer blah 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 than blah blah blah. Blah 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 as same as blah blah blah. Kita akan membandingkan 2 benda, membandingkan jumlah 2 benda dengan menggunakan more titik-titik daripada titik-titik dan menggunakan fewer titik-titik daripada titik-titik dan menggunakan titik-titik sama dengan titik-titik. Perhatikan, more kita gunakan jika ada yang lebih daripada yang ini. Kita menggunakan fewer untuk ada yang kurang daripada yang ini. Dan kita menggunakan SMS jika jumlah keduanya sama. But remember, don't forget to use are. Dan jangan lupa menggunakan are jika penjelasan berikutnya terdiri dari 2 benda. If the following explanation using 2 things. Jika penjelasan seterusnya menggunakan 2 benda. Oke, let's see the examples. Yuk kita lihat contoh-contohnya yuk. I have picture here. Ibu punya gambar di sini. pay attention to the picture, perhatikan gambarnya, and listen to Miss Deska carefully. Dan dengarkan Miss Deska baik-baik. Okay? We have set A and set B. Kita punya kelompok atau set A dan set B. Di set A, there are things. Ada benda. Let's count. Kita hitung ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 bottles. Okay, let's pretend this is bottles. Yuk, ada di sini 8 botol. Kita anggap ini sebagai botol ya, Nak. Okay, in the set B, we have box. Okay, we have box here. In the set B, kita punya box atau kotak di set B. Let's count the boxes. Okay, kita hitung boxnya yuk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have 6 boxes. We have 8 bottle. In the set A, kita punya 8 botol di set A. And we have 6 boxes in the set B. Dan kita punya 6 kotak di set B. Okay, how we can say it in English? Bagaimana kita mengucapkan dalam bahasa Inggris? Yuk, there are, di sana ada, blah 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 bottles in set A. There are, ada berapa botol di set A? Very good. 8 bottles. Very good. And then there are, di sana ada. Okay, very good. 6 boxes in set B. Okay. So, jadi there are more bottles than boxes. Jadi di sana ada lebih banyak botol daripada kotaknya. Very good. Lalu kita bisa mengatakan juga, so there are fewer boxes. Lebih sedikit kotak daripada bottles. Than bottles, daripada botol. Okay, very good. Now let's go to this picture. Yuk kita ke gambar yang ini yuk. We have bottle here and we have boxes here. Kita punya botol-botol di sini dan kita punya kotak-kotak di sini. Let's count. The bottles are 17 bottles. Very good, dear. And we have here 20 bottles. So we can say there are, di sana ada fewer, lebih sedikit bottles. Di sana ada lebih sedikit botol than boxes, daripada kotak. Oh, very good, dear. Okay, we can also say, kita juga bisa mengatakan bahwa there are more boxes. Di sana ada lebih banyak kotak than bottles, daripada botolnya. Very good. Okay, and then we go to this picture. Okay, we have boxes here. There are 12 boxes. And here we have 11 bottles. So we can say there are more boxes. Ada lebih banyak kotak daripada botol than bottles. This one. Okay, or we can say, atau kita bisa mengatakannya, there are fewer bottles. Ada lebih sedikit botol than boxes, daripada kotak. Very good. Okay, let's go to the next page. Oh, we have another one here. Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot. Thank you for reminding me. Terima kasih udah ngingetin ibunya ya. We have here a picture. Okay, we have 4 snake to eat. Kita punya 4 snack untuk dimakan. And we have 5 bottles. Okay, 5 or 4? Oh, sorry, there are 4 bottles. Okay, so there are 4 snakes and 4 bottles. So we can say the number of the snack pack, bungkusnya snacknya, are same as numbers of bottles. Let's repeat again. Yuk kita ulang lagi yuk. The number of snack pack are SMS numbers of bottle. Jadi jumlah bungkus snacknya sama dengan jumlah botolnya. Very good. Let's go to another slide. Yuk kita ke slide berikutnya. Okay, we now still comparing two things. Sekarang kita masih membandingkan jumlah dua benda ya. By using, sekarang kita menggunakannya beda lagi nih. We are using greater than and smaller than. Okay, the structure like this. Blah 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 is greater than blah blah blah. Titik-titik itu lebih banyak daripada titik-titik. Or we can use blah 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 is smaller than blah blah blah. Atau kita bisa menggunakan titik-titik lebih sedikit daripada titik-titik. Note catatannya, don't forget to use is. Jangan lupa menggunakan is. Kenapa? Karena yang satu bendanya di depan dan yang satu bendanya di belakang, maka kita menggunakannya is. Setelah is, penjabarannya cuma satu benda. Oke? Oke. Let's go to the picture. Yuk kita ke gambarnya yuk. I have picture here. Punya gambar di sini. We divided the number into tens and one. Kita membagi angkanya menjadi puluhan dan satuan. Like you see here, 19, seperti yang kamu lihat, 19. For the tens, you have 10 here, 1/10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 for ones. Jadi punya puluhannya satu baris, dan satuannya ada 9. Oke, this is 19. Okay, this one is 16. Very good. For 16, we have 1 for the 10, 1 line, satu baris, consists of 10. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 for the ones. Kita punya puluhannya itu satu baris puluhan, yang isinya 10, dan satuannya kita punya 6. This is for 16. Kita punya 16. So what can we say from this picture? Jadi apa yang bisa kita katakan? Kita simpulkan, we conclude from this picture. Okay, 19 is greater than 16. 19 itu lebih banyak daripada 16. Or we can say, atau kita bisa mengatakan bahwa 16 is smaller than 19. 16, 16 itu lebih sedikit daripada 19. Okay? Now you do the rest. Lalu, yuk kamu yang kerjakan yuk sisanya yuk. I know you can do it. Ibu yakin kamu bisa kok. Yuk, let's go. We have 14 here and 15 here. Okay? What you can say from this picture? That's good. Okay, from this picture, we can say that 15 is greater than 14. Okay, very good. 15 lebih banyak atau lebih besar daripada 14. Okay, or we can say, atau kita bisa mengatakan 14 is smaller than, itu lebih sedikit daripada 15. Okay, let's repeat. Yuk kita ulang yuk. 14 is smaller than 15. 14 lebih sedikit, lebih kecil daripada 15. Oke, let's do the rest. Yuk kita kerjakan sisanya yuk. We have here, kita punya di sini 18 and 20. Kita punya 18 dan 20. Which one is the greater and which one is the smaller? Mana yang lebih besar dan mana yang lebih kecil? Yuk kita kerjakan yuk. 20 is greater than, correct, 18. 20 lebih besar daripada 18. Very good. And also we can say that, juga kita bisa mengatakan bahwa 18 is smaller than 20. 18 adalah lebih sedikit atau lebih kecil daripada 20. Very good. Let's go to another slide. Yuk, kita ke slide berikutnya yuk. Okay, now I also have a picture here. But before we go to the picture, tapi sebelum kita ke gambar, I have explanation here. Now we are going to, sekarang kita akan membandingkan, compare more than 2 things. Kita akan membandingkan lebih dari 2 benda. Bisa 3, bisa 4, bisa 5 benda, atau banyak benda. Oke, by using, dengan menggunakan, by using, blah 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 is the greatest than blah blah blah. Titik-titik adalah paling besar daripada titik-titik. Atau, or we can use blah 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 is the smallest than blah blah blah. Titik-titik adalah paling kecil daripada blah blah blah. Titik-titik. Oke? Oke. Note, catatannya. Don't forget to use is. Oke, jangan lupa pakai is ya. Karena dia di antara kedua benda, maka benda yang kedua diterangkan setelah is. Jadi pakainya is bukannya are ya. Very good. Oke, let's go to the picture. Yuk kita ke gambar yuk. Compare the number. Fill the blank. Look at, lihat. Kita punya yang dibandingkan ada lebih dari 2. Ya kan? Lebih dari 2 angkanya. We have more than 2 numbers. Oke? Let's see what we got here. Apa yang kita punya di sini? Yuk, kita lihat yuk. Okay, we have 17, and then 18, and then 9. We have 3 numbers. Okay, which one is the greatest? Which is the greatest? Yang mana yang paling besar? Can you guess? Correct. Ya, kamu bisa menebaknya ya. Very good. Bagus sekali. Betul. Okay. The greatest is, which is the greatest? The greatest is, yang terbesar adalah 18. Very good. Okay, now the next question. Pertanyaan berikutnya. Which is the smallest? Yang mana yang paling kecil? Which is? Very good. The smallest is 9. Very good. Okay. Very good, dear. Okay. Let's go to the second one. We have 5 number here. Okay, kita punya 5 angka di sini. There are 13, 16, 11, 18, and 19. Which is the greatest? Which is? Yang mana yang paling besar? Correct. Okay. The greatest is 19. Very good, dear. And which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? Smallest is 11. Very, very good. Okay. Now, let's celebrate it. Yuk, kita rayakan yuk. Pintar semuanya. Yuk, let's celebrate it. Yuk. I will count to 3. Ibu akan menghitung sampai 3. In the count of 3, di kehitungan ketiga, I want you to jump up. Ibu mau kamu melompat while you saying hooray. Ibu mau kamu melompat sambil bilang hooray. Say ya. Okay, that's good. Give me your thumb. Kasih ibu jempolnya. Thank you. Are you ready? Kamu siap? Right, miss? Okay, dear. Very good. Let's start. I will count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump up and say hooray. Very good. Let's give applause to all of us. Yuk kasih tepuk tangan untuk kita semua. We are amazing. Kita semua luar biasa. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Kita ke slide berikutnya yuk. Okay, let's practice. Okay, let's practice. I have practice for you here. Yeah, let's try this. Okay. I have picture here. Ibu punya gambar di sini. Pay attention to the picture. What did you get? Apa yang kamu dapat? Mention smaller number than 9. Sebutkan. What is smaller? Angka yang lebih kecil. Smaller numbers. Sebutkan. Smaller numbers. Angka yang lebih kecil daripada than 9. Daripada 9. Okay, let's repeat again. Kita ulang lagi yuk. Mention smaller numbers than 9. Sebutkan angka yang lebih kecil daripada 9. Bisa? Correct! That's very good. Let's check. Click to find out the answer. Kita klik yuk. Let's click it. Correct, dear. The smaller number than 9 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Okay, let's go to the next question. Mention larger number than 9. Or you can say mention greater numbers than 9. Sebutkan angka yang lebih besar daripada 9. Okay? Do you know the answer? Very good. They are. Mereka adalah jawabannya. The larger number than 9 are very, very good. There are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. Jadi angka yang lebih besar daripada 9 adalah 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, dan seterusnya. Seterusnya sampai tak terhingga itu adalah lebih besar daripada 9. Very good. Okay. Amazing. You do them a great deal. Kamu mengerjakannya dengan sangat baik. Luar biasa. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Yuk kita ke slide berikutnya yuk. I have task for you. Would you like the task? Aku punya tugas nih untuk kalian. Kamu mau nggak tugasnya? Okay, very good. You are so exciting. Kamu sangat menginginkannya ya. Bagus sekali nak. Amazing. Thank you. Luar biasa. Terima kasih. Okay, let's pay attention to me. I have task here. Do this exercise on your notebook. Kamu kerjakan latihannya di buku tulis kamu ya. Okay, and then if you are done, take picture. Kalau sudah selesai, ambil gambarnya, foto. Then send to Miss Deska personal chat. Lalu kamu kirimkan ke personal chat Miss Deska ya. Ya, via WA, WhatsApp. Okay? I know you can do it. Ibu yakin kalian pasti bisa. Okay? But now let's review the task. Yuk kita review dulu tasknya kayak apa. Yuk kita baca yuk. Let's read it together. Yuk kita baca bersama yuk. Find smallest number. Temukan Mana yang paling kecil angkanya? Which is the smallest numbers in the series? Yang mana sih angka yang paling kecil di urutan atau seri ini? Ya, for number 1 we have 50, 11, 40, 49, and 36, which is the smaller number in the series. Okay, you can fill here. You can fill the answer here. Kamu bisa menuliskan jawabannya di sini. Okay, next. We have here some series of number. Kita punya series number, ya. And the instruction is still the same. Instruksinya tetap sama, yaitu find the smallest number. Cari yang paling kecil. Which is the smallest number in the series? We have here 12, 31, 44, 15, and 7. 7. Which is the smallest number in the series? Okay, you can fill the answer here. Kamu bisa isi jawabannya di sini. Okay, the last one, we have series of number. Kita punya series angka. We have 3, we have 14, we have 5, we have 26, and we have 38. Okay, which is the smallest number in the series? Yang mana yang paling kecil di series angka ini? Okay, you can fill your answer here. Kamu bisa mengisi jawaban kamu di sini. Okay, I know you can do it. Aku yakin kamu bisa mengerjakan. Okay, okay. Okay, for the last one. Oke, untuk terakhir kalinya, let's celebrate it. Yuk, kita rayain lagi yuk. Ya. Now, I want you to jump to front. Ibu mau kamu melompat ke depan 3 times. 3 kali in the count of 3. Oke, Ibu mau kamu melompat 3 kali ke depan di hitungan ketiga. Are you ready? Give me your thumb if you ready. Kasih Ibu jempol jika kamu siap. Okay, let's start. Yuk kita mulai yuk. I will count. Ibu akan menghitung nih. 1, 2, 3. Jump to front. 1, 2, 3 and say hooray, hooray. Okay, let's applause to all of us. Kita tepuk tangan yuk untuk kita semua yuk. Very good ya. Okay, thank you for the amazing, lovely time together. We have compared from 2 things and more than 2 things using larger than, greater than, smaller than, fewer than, as, same as, and also greatest, and also smallest. Okay, let's review again in another season. Kita akan mereviewnya kembali di pertemuan berikutnya. Okay, keep on the spirit. Okay, I end this presentation by saying hamdalah. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's give Miss Deska your love. Yuk kasih Miss Deska tanda cintanya yuk. And give me your heart. Very good. And give me long kiss. Far, far away kiss. Thank you, dear. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.